Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Mujtaba. I have joined ASTI Institute and I have taken level 4 and 5 mechanical engineering diploma. So far my experience is going amazing. It's more on hands-on experience. It's completely practical based and I am a student who enjoys to do more practical work than doing notebook and theory works. And in a week we have 2 or 3 times we must have practical. We do practicals. We even do theory based, and so far it's amazing. My experience in ASTI is so far it's really great. My 1 year has been completed and we have done a lot of hands-on practical activities. I've met good teachers over here. They explain really nice. I've made friends in class who are also pursuing the same goal as what I'm pursuing. And because I'm most type of a student who understands doing practical work, so this place I really highly recommend for all those students to join ASTI Institute. And it's going amazing. There's no exams. Best part, there's no exams. It's all assignment based. So I like it.